Hello sweet team, welcome back once again to A Fierce Kitchen where friends and family cook. If today is your first time coming across this channel, a warm welcome to join the team. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to join the team to support me and to help the channel grow. Subscription is totally free of charge. And why won't you subscribe? What are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you would be notified so you can watch. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much and God richly bless you for your support so far. Today I'm sharing with you one of my recipes for making fried rice. I have quite a lot of recipes, but today I'm sharing with you one of the ways in which I make my fried rice. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So for this recipe, I have here with me some green bell pepper that has been nicely cut. I also have here with me some green beans which has also been nicely cut. I also have here with me some spring onions nicely cut. I also have here with me some onions. I also have here with me some carrots that have been nicely diced, and I have here with me some green peas as well. I also have here with me some boneless chicken. I also have here with me some beef liver here, which has been nicely cooked, diced, and then fried. So you can spice this up just like you would do to your chicken and you would do to your meat. I also have here with me my rice, and then I have here with me my chicken which has been nicely cleaned and washed. So to the chicken I'm going to add some onions and then some curry and then some chicken stock cubes. I'm going to add some thyme, add some salt to season as well, and then cover it up. So to continue, I'm going to go ahead and put all my veggies in one bowl and season with some salt, some stock cube which is totally optional, some thyme as well, some paprika. I'm going to mix them all up together. I want some taste or flavor from my veggies, and that is why I'm seasoning them. I'm going to cover it up with a plastic wrap and set it aside. So for the boneless chicken, I'll be marinating with some paprika, some thyme, some curry, onion powder, garlic powder, and then some stock cube. So this is actually a recipe that has been taken from the way Ghanaians make fried rice and the way Nigerians make fried rice. So it's a combo. A Nigerian wouldn't use jasmine rice for fried rice, and a Nigerian wouldn't use soya sauce for their fried rice. They would use curry instead. You are free to add and subtract. We are back to check on the chicken. We realized that the juices from the chicken have been released, so I'm going to go ahead and add some water and make sure I cook this until it is nicely done. In a separate pot, I'm going to add in some oil and add in my washed rice. I'm going to toast the rice for some few minutes. The reason I'm toasting the rice is because it's jasmine, so if you don't take care, it's going to end up sticking together. So after toasting for about 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add the stock from the chicken. To this, I'm going to add some more curry for the color. In this recipe, I'm not using soya sauce, I'm using curry to get my yellow color. To this, I would add some hot water, quicken the cooking process. I would cover it up until it is nicely cooked while stirring in between. In a separate pot, I'm going to add some cooking oil. You can use coconut oil, vegetable oil, any oil of your choice, and stir fry my already marinated chicken on high heat. I'm going to fry it until it is nicely cooked. When it is cooked, I'm going to set it aside in a separate bowl, add in some oil and start with my veggies. I am using red onions for this recipe, but it's optional. You can go ahead and use white onions. I'm going to stir fry my onions for about 1 minute. Add in my nicely crushed garlic, and then to this I would add in my already marinated veggies. We do not want our veggies getting all mushy, so I'm going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes. On the side, my rice is nicely cooked and ready to be used. So back to my veggies. They have been frying for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add in some of the rice and mix it up very well. I will then add in my chicken and mix it up very well. I would also add in a portion of my nicely cooked and fried liver. Mix it up very well. And then the last thing that goes into the fried rice are my spring onions. Mix it up as well, and our food is ready to be served and enjoyed. Thank you so much for your time with us. We appreciate you. Time is precious, so if you are able to sit through the video till the end, I say God richly bless you, and may your week be lovely and fruitful. Until I come your way again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
Effia's Kitchen. Daredel.
So tasty!